about pizza around the world. My new format is a workshop for you.
But it's very hard to do. So now, I'm really looking for a job in HR because I want to know more about people. I want